welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add recursive or italic font to your code in VS Code. So what I use is a font called VSCode iScript, and so it's got the italic, as you can see, or cursive font. So what we will need to do is either to clone this repo or download the zip folder and install the font files on your machine. So I'm going to download it and that, and let's make sure we got that downloaded. So what we'll need to do is, since I got it downloaded, so this is the 3 fonts that it comes with that package. So the first one is bold. So let's make sure we install that font. So that's installed. We'll go to the italic one and install it as well, and the regular one. So we got all 3 installed. Let's make sure we've got them installed. So regular, italic, and bold. So once you install these, we go to VS Code. And so we need to go to our settings. So you could go to preferences, settings, and then you could do that from here as well. So change the font from here as well, but I've got the settings.json is opened, and you can go to this file from Finder as well. So you would search for settings, and that's the first option that I get since I've recently opened this. So preferences, open settings, JSON. So you open that, and we are going to edit the font family to include the font that we just installed in our machine. So VSCode iScript, and so we got that font. Now we need to add some TextMate rules for this font. So I am interested in applying this font to the comments in my code. So what you will need to do is add editor token color customizations, and inside that we're going to have some TextMate rules. And so inside the TextMate rules, I'm going to add it for just the comment. So inside the TextMate rules, you need to add name, scope, and settings. So for name, I'm going to name this comment, and then the scope is going to be only for comments. So as you're typing in the scope section, it will give you all the options on what you could apply the font to. So if you wanted to do that for variables, we could do that as well. Another option, maybe some people want to do it for keyword. You have that option too. But as I mentioned, I'm just doing it for comment. So I'll add it for comment, and then the settings, we're not going to do the foreground. We're just changing the font style to be italic. So that's all to it. If we go back to our code file example, now all the comments are changed to italic or cursive. As I mentioned, you can apply it to, for example, keywords as well. So what you could do is add another TextMate rule. Let's name this keyword, and then the scope is going to be just the keyword, and then the settings similar to before. We're just going to change this to italic. So this is going to pretty much using the italic version of the font from this font family, VSCode iScript. And if we go back, we should see that the keyword changes to italics or cursive. And that's all to it. And just applying cursive or italic font to your code in VS Code. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below.